All right, y'all, excited to announce a brand new product. Been working well over a year to get this one to the market. This is our 803 Soil Fit. This is a natural-based soil amendment. That's what we're calling it. But really, it's kind of in between a fertilizer and a biostimulant. This is a granular product, if you can't tell. We got it in 45-pound bag here right now. We're also going to be releasing 18-pound bags very soon. So what you're going to see first, you got 803, 8% nitrogen, 3% potassium. The nitrogen is coming from mostly natural sources like soybean meal and feather meal, so that's going to give it that slow release. It's going to add carbon to the soil, as well as we have a little bit of synthetic nitrogen in here to give you a color pop quicker. And then the 3% potassium, this is the SOP, sulfate of potash, so this is the lower salt index potassium source. And then we also have some biostimulants in here. We've got humic and kelp, of course, which are familiar biostimulants, and then we have some gypsum in here for soil conditioning. We also have 10% sulfur, which is going to help the lawn with that overall green up that you're looking for. Now, there's some other stuff in here. There's protein hydrolysates in here, which you guys know are called peptides. This is going to help with recovery cycles. Those are spiked in here, and a whole lot more. Now, the thing about this is you could use this in the summer as just a fertilizer if you like, or you can use it in conjunction with or along with your regular applications of either Stress Blend or Flagship. So that's how I would use it. If I'm applying Stress Blend or Flagship every 4 weeks according to the app, you're going to apply this in between those apps to condition the soil, number one, but then number two, to extend the pop of green that you're going to get. You guys know I like to put a little bit of pop of green in pretty much everything I do. So that's why this is an interesting product. It'll be interesting to see how you guys use it over time, but it's right in between there. Fertilizer, soil amendment, it kind of falls right in between both. But again, you could use this on the same day as Flagship, you could use it on the same day as Stress Blend, just do 2 separate apps, or like I would do, is I would use it in between. And yes, you should water it in after the application. So that's some initial information on it. We'll get a lot more out to you. I've been testing it. I love the color pop that it brings and the extension that it gives you of your lawn. With that, I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. I want to thank you for supporting Yard Mastery and American Small Business, and I'll see you in the lawn.